5.7 tuned port injection.
We're here at my mom's house. We're about to walk up to my neighbor's house to look at an IROC Camaro that they messaged us about a couple days ago. They've been seeing our videos of working on old cars and wanted to know if we was interested in it. It's been sitting up here at my neighbor's house for as long as I can remember, my whole childhood. So it's pretty exciting to go look at it. We're hoping that it's not rotted out and it's able to be saved, and they're only asking $800 for it, so we're gonna go check it out. Let's go.
Can we see it from here? I see part of it.
Yeah, right here. You can like zoom in on it.
There it is right there. Let's go see it. Got my Counts custom shirt on too, so they know I'm legit. Get the spots that aren't so good so we can look back on that. I think as far as the front rear bumper goes, the way the sun's got a hold of it, it's so pitted, it probably needs to replace that. Probably.
Yeah, it'd be a lot of Bondo if we fixed those.
Let me pop the hood.
Yeah.
Or did you not latch it?
I think I latched it.
The 5.7 tuned port injection. And I can only assume that the automatic transmission is a 700 R4. We've got a dashboard there at the shop, but I don't think it's got this top piece on it.
Let's have to see.
Well, we just got back from looking at the Camaro. It is an IROC-Z, an actual IROC-Z. It's got aftermarket wheels on it, which is okay. She even had the receipt from the wheels from 1993, 33 years ago, from where they had Big O put those wheels on there. The front and rear bumper, as you can see in the walk around, was super pitted, and that's just the nature of the material that Chevrolet used on those. My 96 Camaro was just like that in a couple of spots, and I ended up Bondoing it in, but that one, the whole front and rear bumper is going to have to be took off and replaced. The driver's side skirt was messed up. There had definitely been mice in there. It didn't smell like mildewy, like the T-top leaked or anything, so that kind of makes me feel good. I didn't see any signs of rust. We popped the hood on there and it was a beautiful 5.7 TPI tuned port injection. It was an automatic, which you know I hate. I'm not an automatic fan. I wish every vehicle was a stick shift. Even my Duramax with the Allison transmission, I wish it was just a stick shift. But all in all, that thing needs everything. The Bondo that's on there would have to be took off, redone, whole body repainted. The weather seals all the way around it would have to be redone. No telling about the engine. I'm sure that you're going to have to drain all the fluid out of it and probably even take part of the engine apart to replace O-rings and stuff in the fuel system so that it doesn't leak. She said that she just quit driving it, and that's usually a good sign that the engine and transmission is fine in it. But when things sit, they get rotted, and there's no telling what's wrong with it now. That engine has been dry all the oil that's up on the valves and everything slowly over time.
It's been sitting there for 10 years.
It's been sitting in that spot for 10 years. She's had it for over 20 years. And I actually say it's closer to 30 because she said that the guy who had it paid $1,000 for those wheels, and she showed me the receipt. And she said he lost it to the bank, so he probably lost. The receipt was from 93, so he probably lost it 93, 94, or 95, somewhere in there. And she had it ever since, so she's probably had it 30 years. And it's set for what she says is 10 years, and I wouldn't doubt if it's been more than 10 years.
It's been more than 10 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the upholstery in it was pretty good, except the back seats had a couple of mouse chewed up spots in it. I did find a dead mouse in there. All in all, it would be a full-blown project. Front, rear, body, interior, paint, drivetrain, fuel. That's the imprint of the oil pan. That's the imprint of the transmission. Alright, we're gonna try and get it on there now. Pulling back, ease to the right just a little bit. Alright, just right. Okay, hold it there. How's that look?
Looks pretty good to me. The nose ain't hanging on.
Alright, throw her in park. That one's ready right there. Okay.
Wrong man.
I think I felt my bullet get a little long.
Yeah.
I'll look at it one last time before it's gone. That's a cool car.